So today, join me as I explore my favorite mall here in Dubai, which is Dubai Mall. As you all know, this next year will be my 20th year as an OFW teacher in Dubai, and it is not my first time here in Dubai Mall. But I wanted to do this vlog so that I can take you with me as I share with you my favorite spots and some free things to do in the Dubai Mall. Okay, so yun talaga yung pinaka-agenda ng vlog na ito. Hindi ka naman mahihirapang maglakad dahil all the way through meron mga walkalator. So depende na sa'yo yan kung gusto mong gamitin or you want to just go on the normal pathway. Pero, ayan na nga, you have an option. Meron kang escalator and it is air-conditioned. So, hindi ka na maiinitan, although mapapagod ka pa din.